Maria Dorica Cha, NASHIPE, DNR Environmental Management Bureau. And joining them is Miss Athalie Reyes, Senior Manager for EPR and Projects of PCX Solutions. Please come back to the stage. Okay.
Okay, so before we begin the individual awarding, I'd like to read the citation that appears on each plaque. PCX hereby presents this plaque of recognition to outstanding obliged enterprises for achieving the equivalent of 100% recovery of their plastic footprint in 2025.
Okay. So the first OE to be recognized is Monde Nissan Corporation. Receiving the award is Miss Angelica Hauhoko, Sustainability Team Lead, and Nisa Sampato, Lead Sustainability Analyst. Congratulations to Monde Nissan.
On behalf of Monde Nissan, thank you so much PCX for awarding this recognition to the efforts of the company. And this is really a testament that affirms our aspiration in making better possible. So thank you for this recognition. And we share this actually not just to the company but also to the teams involved in making this effort a success, and also the communities working with PCX to recover these waste. And because we know that this effort is not just achievable with any one company or any one organization, but it's a collective action from all of us. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Next would be Century Pacific Food Inc. And receiving the award is Miss Jenny De Vera. Okay. And
Twinkie Valeriano.
So on behalf of Century Pacific Food Incorporated, thank you for this recognition. We're deeply honored because an award like this is not just about compliance. It symbolizes what we can achieve when companies, communities, and organizations like PCX come together for a shared purpose. At CPFI, we believe sustainability is a continuous journey. Our work with PCX, especially through their plastic offsetting system and the Alintindera program, has opened our eyes to how community-driven solutions can move the needle. It's a privilege to support a model that not only recovers plastic but also empowers women, uplifts neighborhoods, and brings transparency to environmental action. Across Century, we try to live out this commitment through a range of initiatives, from Save Our Seas, coastal cleanups, to Padagos Bulan for sustainable fishing, to our Mindanao mangroves of Hope rehabilitation efforts, and the Birch Tree Nutrition Mission that helps make nutrition more accessible to children, of course. These programs remind us that caring for the planet and caring for people always go hand in hand. We know there is still much to do, and recognitions like this inspire us to keep pushing forward, always striving to nourish and delight, while doing our part for a better planet. Thank you, PCX, for being a vital partner on this journey and for leading the way in building a future that is good for communities, for business, and for the earth. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations. Okay, next one is the Pacific Meat Company Incorporated. Receiving the award is engineer Carmelo Anyanyahan.
behalf of Pacific Meat Company Incorporated, thank you for this recognition. Thank you to PCX for helping companies like ours take risks and practical step toward reducing our environmental footprint. In PMCI, we believe that good operation should never come at the expenses of the environment. This may look like small steps, but for us, constant matters, doing the right thing, taking more. This recognition reminds us to keep improving and to keep doing better for our people and for our planet. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Engineer Coronel, for that message. Next, we would like to call on General Odyssey Inc. And back on stage, we would like to call on Miss Jenny De Vera to accept the award.
One, two, three, that's fine. One more. Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's fine. All right.
Good morning, everyone. General Odyssey is actually the makers of Buddha's cat and dog food, if you're familiar with that. Endorsement by Sarah Nonoco and Mateo. And part of the Century Pacific Food Inc. Group. So first of all, we would like to express our thanks to our partner, Plastic Credit Exchange, not only for assisting us in our EPR compliance, but also for making sure that we achieve our goal for 100% offsetting since actually 2019. So even the EPR already offsetting 100% of our plastic footprints for all our products. So this milestone is more than just a number. It's a representation of shared commitment and to sustainability and responsibility. Each offset reflects our dedication to reducing environmental impact and creating a cleaner, greener future. So we would like also to thank our management for supporting us in these initiatives and joining HopeX as our partner ever since. So our action shows that when we work together, we can make a real difference, and let's continue to lead by example and inspire others to join us in this journey towards a sustainable world. And congratulations not only to us, but also to all the awardees, and may we inspire you and do your part, and let's all offset 100%.
She said it. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, next we would like to recognize L'Oreal Philippines. Receiving the award is Miss Crisalie Pasigan, Corp Affairs Director, and with her is Miss Jess Lopez, Consultant for Corp Affairs and Engagement.
Right. Everyone look here. Ready, 1, 2, 3, then smile. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, very good.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of L'Oreal Philippines, I extend our sincerest gratitude to PCX and to the DNR for this meaningful recognition. This award celebrates our unwavering commitment to L'Oreal for the future, our group's sustainability transformation, and in the Philippines, this means taking responsibility to tackle the plastic problem head-on. From our consumer packaging, our fulfillment, to our post-consumer plastic management. And despite the limited local infrastructure in the Philippines, we made it our mission to support upcycling and recycling efforts, and we are proud to have recovered and diverted 100% of our plastic footprint since the year 1 of the implementation of the EPR. But more than the recognition, we recognize that the plastic crisis demands collective action, as all of the awardees have said earlier, and we believe that the private sector has an important role to play in building stronger infrastructures and support systems, and at L'Oreal, we are very much eager to expand our collaborations and to accelerate this progress. Thank you, PCX, for this inspiring platform, and congratulations as well to other companies who have taken the bold commitment to recover 100% of your plastic footprint. Together, we can build a more sustainable future for the Philippines. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much and congratulations, L'Oreal Philippines. Next is Mondelez Philippines Inc. And receiving the award is Kate Punzalan, CGA Lead, Luigi Almario, and Miriam Paino.
Okay, everyone look here. Ready, 1, 2, 3, then smile. One more. Alright, we're good.
Hi everyone, good morning. Apologies for my eye, I'm a pirate today. On behalf of Mondelez Philippines, thank you very much to PCX for this honor. I also have a story to share in terms of our partnership. We did actually start partnering way before the EPR law was implemented. I think it was 2019 or 2020. And at the time, the concept of plastic waste management was so very new to us that we actually started with 1 metric ton, if I'm not mistaken. And we were like, wow, 1 metric ton, that's a lot of plastic. Little did we know that that was just the start of a learning journey in terms of just how much we need to all contribute to plastic waste management in the Philippines. So thank you very much to PCX for being our partner. Since then, we have been doing 100%, or as we say in press releases, the equivalent amount of our post-consumer plastic waste, to be very specific, since 2023 when the law was enacted. And we look forward to doing more as part of our sustainable snacking advocacy in terms of plastic waste management. Thank you very much.
Next awardee is Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Cortex Technologies Corporation.
Receiving the award is Miguel Concepcion, CTC Head of Sales, Gabriel Romano, Finance Specialist, and Charina Ventura, Head of Techniques.
Everyone look here. Ready, 1, 2, 3, then smile. One more. Alright, we're good.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Cortex, we want to thank PCX for this recognition. It's an honor to stand alongside an organization that's redefining how the world tackles plastic waste, not through innovation, but through real-world impact on communities and the environment. PCX work speaks for themselves. Thousands of metric tons of plastic kept out of nature, strong partnerships across government and industries, and the global push for credible, transparent, circular economy solutions. Their leadership proves that meaningful change is possible when we combine vision with action. We're proud to support this mission and are committed to keep pushing for the Philippines. Thank you, PCX, for the work that you do and allowing us to be a part of it.
Next, we would like to call on Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Concepcion Carrier Air Conditioning Company. Receiving the award is Ms. Sharina May Kabahar, Head of Corporate Marketing and Communications, and Rian Michael Sampson, R&D Manager.
Everyone look here. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Okay, closer. Ready, 1, 2, 3, then smile. Alright, very good.
Hi, good morning to all. So, on behalf of Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Thank you, PCX, under the leadership of Ms. Nanette Madrid, for recognizing Concepcion Industrial Corporation and our family of companies as one of the committed enterprises advancing plastic responsibility. We deeply appreciate this honor and, guided by our mission in inspiring our world, our purpose, we remain committed to driving meaningful and lasting impact through responsible practices across our operations. To our fellow OEs, let's continue working together to care for people and the planet, and we can do this, yes, 100% for everyone. Thank you.
Okay, another one from the Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Concepcion Midea Inc. And receiving the award is Mr. Eduardo Mali, CMIP Senior Manager, Design and Development, Rolixus Co. Ute, CMIP Senior Specialist, Design and Development, and Mr. Elixir Lucas, Senior Specialist, Design and Development.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm Rolex, and I'm part of Concepcion Media. And on behalf of Concepcion Media Inc., we are truly thankful for PCX, including the guidance and the partnership in achieving this 100% sustainability. And as well as, I know 100% is difficult to achieve, but because of the dedication of each member, as well as with your guidance, you were able to achieve it. And this is only the beginning of more milestones towards a truly sustainable tomorrow for the Philippines. So together we can do 100%. Thank you.
Okay, last one from the Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Concepcion Durables Inc. And receiving the award is Mr. Romel Carrera, Vice President for Engineering and Manufacturing.
Maybe on behalf of Concepcion Durables, may we call on a representative to accept the award. Okay. May we call on back Ms. May.
Everyone is here. Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's one. One more.
Next awardee is Beco Pilipinas Corporation. And receiving the award is Mr. Alper Ildirin, Mr. Melchor Zapanta Jr., and Ms. Maria Victoria Cruz.
Okay. Everyone is here. Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more.
Good morning, everyone. So on behalf of our country director, Mr. Alfred Gildery, who is not here today, and my colleague, Adi, I would like to thank PCX, of course, for partnering with us on this compliance with the food environment law. Just to let you know, sustainability is really close to our heart. It's actually the job of our company, which is Beco Global Company. And we are ranked number 17 in the world in terms of most sustainable company, and we are ranked number 1 in our own industry. So that is how serious we are when it comes to sustainability. And plastic footprint recovery here in the Philippines is just a small step for us here in the Philippines. So we are also in the future to bring in products that are incorporating recycled materials in our appliances. So hopefully that would also stepping forward in terms of not just recovering plastic, but also using it as part of our components in our products and making sure that all the waste materials are not really going to the environment. And I would like to encourage all the companies, especially in the appliance industry who's not here today. So I would like to encourage and challenge them to be 100% compliance, because this does not only impact the company, but this impact not only the Philippines but the world. So this will make us a better world to live. Thank you very much. And thank you.
Next, we call on Mitsubishi Motors Philippine Corporation. Receiving the award is Mr. Reynaldo Gabay, Senior Vice President of Manufacturing Division. With him is Mr. Marfel Ancheta, Vice President for Safety, Health, and Environment.
Hi, thank you PCX for this recognition. In behalf of Mitsubishi Motors Philippines, this recognition represents our commitment to take our accountability for the plastics we produce. Plastic credits goes beyond just offsetting. So they actually reflect measurable actions on the ground. So this strengthens our recycling systems and safeguards our environment. And we thank PCX for being our partner in this responsibility. Again, we are Mitsubishi Motors Philippines, and this recognition affirms how we drive not only for mobility but for the environment. Thank you.
Congrats, Mitsubishi.
Next is Swell Floor Bakery and Cafe Corp. Receiving the award is John Eli Guillermo, Environmental Compliance Manager. With him is Charles Hernandez and Regina Marieta Caquina Santos.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's one. One more, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Wild Farm Hospitality Group, we are deeply honored to receive this award for achieving 100% recovery and diversion of the plastic film. Technically organizing body, PCX, and DNR, our efforts, this means a great deal to us. This milestone wasn't achieved by one person alone. It's the result of the hard work and commitment of our entire Wild Farm team. Sustainable practices every single day. I also want to thank our partners and suppliers who supported our transition to a more responsible materials. This award inspires us to continue pushing forward, to innovate even further, and to show that sustainability in the restaurant industry is not only possible, but necessary. Thank you again for this recognition. We will continue striving to make an even greater positive impact to our community and our environment. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Wild Floor.
Next on our list is Domino's Pizza Philippines. And receiving the award is Belle Awesome General Manager, Jet Tan, Marketing Director, and Lambert Rodriguez Jr., Supply Chain Director.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's one. Everyone look here, ready, 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready.
Hi, good day everyone. On behalf of Domino's Pizza Philippines, we would like to thank PCX for this recognition. So Domino's Pizza Philippines is proud to partner with PCX to strengthen our commitment to sustainability. This collaboration helps us to be more environmentally responsible, do 100% plastic footprint offsetting, and support responsible waste management across our operations. Together with PCX, we aim to make every pizza we serve part of a greener and cleaner future. Thank you.
Yes, Domino's. Next is Mr. DIY, and receiving the award is Attorney Suzy Fu, Head of Legal, Compliance, and Sustainability, and with her is Ms. Edel Olayban.
Okay, everyone, look here. Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's one. One more. Ready, 1, 2, 3, that's one. Alright, very good go.
On behalf of Tracer DIY, thank you for this recognition. We are honored to be recognized for our commitment to going beyond compliance. So this motivates us to continue upholding the highest standards of integrity and responsible business in everything we do. Tackling global plastic pollution and EPR has come a long way, and thanks to all your work, ENR, PCX, Hope, our Aling Darren Network, and several companies here, we're taking responsibility at a larger scale and with measurable impact. This is just the start, just 3 years so far of EPR, and we have a lot more to clean up. And as mentioned by others several times earlier, let's all go 100% and beyond. So from Mr. DIY Philippines, congratulations to everyone.
Okay, moving on. Next awardee is Generation Hope Inc. And receiving the award is JP Gonzaga, Operations Manager.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm JP and I'm honored to receive this recognition on behalf of Generation Hope. So, Generation Hope, or you might know it better as Hope in a Bottle. Through all of our partners, we try to be, and every day we try to be a business for good. So all of our profits go to building education, helping make an impact for education, livelihood, and the environment. So thank you to PCX for helping us, especially for the environment impact. And I hope this doesn't end here. It is a privilege to be standing in a room with so many companies and people helping together for the environment. And it is a privilege to receive this on behalf of Generation Hope. And I hope we continue on this journey. This is a good recognition, but the journey is not yet done. So thank you everyone, thank you PCX, and thank you on behalf of Generation Hope.
Yes, JP and Generation Hope. To officially capture this moment, may we invite all awardees to join us back on the center stage for a group photo opportunity. Please bring your bags with you. Try to fit. We have no choice.
Hindi po sila, meron pa pong bakante.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cellphone muna po ah.
Official camera.
Ito muna po. Okay, okay. Ito naman to. Cellphone naman. Hindi na naman po sa ano.
Okay, official camera.
Okay guys. Trust muna po ako.